Do not use no track glue on y'all lashes near your eyebrow. That it don't go there.
Relationship goals. I love niggas I had love for, they mean me well. They praise the niggas I had love for, they.
Hello guys and welcome back. Glad to see you guys again. So today I will be coming at you with a how to grow your eyelashes video. Also I will be telling you how you can grow your eyebrows in the same go, so it's a win-win. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now so you can keep on getting my content. So like I said, today I'll be telling you guys or teaching you guys how to grow your eyelashes and eyebrows all together. So I actually have 7 tips for you guys to help you grow your eyelashes. We're gonna go through every single one, and I'm gonna go into as much detail as I possibly can to help you guys grow your eyelashes. I know you guys either wear script lashes, individuals, or even eyelash extensions. I also wear individuals myself. I don't really like script lashes that much, and I have not yet tried eyelash extensions, which I probably will in the future. However, right now I mostly just wear my regular eyelashes just because it's more convenient for me and what I do. So I'm gonna just, cut it short and get right into the video. Tip number 1. Stop wearing false eyelashes. But we all know that we're not gonna do that, but it's still a good tip. I mean, I'm not saying you have to stop completely, but stop wearing them as much. So if you wear script lashes, just try not to wear them the whole week. I don't know why you would wear strip lashes the whole week, but anyway, the point is, don't wear them the whole week. Your eyelashes need to be able to breathe, because when you sleep at night, dirt and debris come out of your eyelid, yeah, dirt and debris come out of your eye duct. So like when you wake up, that sleep that comes out of your eye, that's not clean, that's not good for your eyes. So don't wear your eyelashes as much unless you have eyelash extensions. Those can be cleaned, just because they are attached to your regular lashes and they are not bulky. So make sure, I have my notes right here for y'all, so make sure you only use script lash glue. This goes with stop wearing eyelashes, but if you do wear eyelashes, I'm telling you to stop using track glue. Do not use no track glue on y'all lashes near your eyebrow. That it don't go there. Use the glue that go with the lashes, please, because that's not even needed, bro. That's not even needed. You shouldn't be wearing those lashes that long anyway, so stop wearing track glue if you're trying to grow your eyelashes out. Number 2, opt for eyelash extensions. So like I was saying, if you have not tried eyelash extensions, they are really good. They are expensive, however they do help keep your real lashes on your face and not floating somewhere in somebody's car. But yeah, make sure, if you have the money, try to get eyelash extensions, see if you like them, see how they work out for you. I know if I had the money to do eyelash extensions, I definitely would, just because it would be more beneficial for you, because you can wear them for a very long time and they do fall out with your regular lashes. Tip number 3, make sure you let your eyelashes breathe for at least 2 to 3 days. That's what I do. So no harm really comes to my eyelashes, just because I use script glue on my individuals. I no longer use individual lash glue on my individuals, just because the glue that it uses is so harsh on your eyelashes, it could really pull it out. Also, you have to use a chemical remover to get the individual lash glue off. Y'all, that junk burns. Please stop using that, because that junk burns so bad. I got better to the point where I stopped getting the solution in my eye, but it's just not safe. It's not healthy. I'm just over it. So if y'all over it too, then don't use it either. Tip number 4, and I'm gonna actually demonstrate this for you guys right here on camera so that you can see how I do it. So my tip number 4 is to brush your real lashes at least once a day or every 2 days to bring blood flow. So I feel like this is a really big benefactor in why my lashes grew. And I use this type of lash brush. This is the one that has like bristles on it, and I'd rather use these than the silicone ones, just because the silicone ones, I feel like those are for more so for false lashes, whereas these get in closer and they actually brush your real lashes. So I'm going to demonstrate this for y'all, and just to show you how I do it, and you can kind of do it at home. I got these from the beauty supply store. I think they were like $2.99 or something like that, and I got like 10 in a pack or something like that. So if you are trying to find these, they are in the beauty supply. Alright guys, so I zoomed in so you can see me really good. I'm going to be looking down at my mirror, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I brush my lashes. I like to go up first. Let me pick my mirror up right quick. I like to go up first, and I can already see like sleep or like dirt in my eyelashes, which I said doing this will help. And it also brings blood flow to your lashes. And when I'm doing this, I actually try to get all the dirt out of my lashes. If you can kind of see it right there. And sometimes it takes a little time. Sometimes I even go through with my my nail and kind of loosen it so that the brush can get it. Or you can do this when they're wet, like when you wash your face. So this is how my lashes look after I have brushed them up. Like, they look so good. I'm actually still working on growing these ones back from when, I don't know, they was just falling out when I had this dye. Like, it was crazy. You gotta be really careful about styes and stuff like that. So like my lash, like I'm coming on here telling y'all these tips because it has helped me grow my lashes back, because like the end of my lash right here was non-existent, like non-existent. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get back into the tips. I just wanted to show y'all how I brush my lashes on a daily. Tip number 5, apply castor oil, or apply castor oil, black castor oil, or Vaseline. So the castor oil that I use, this is a black castor oil. This is Jamaican black castor oil. This is good for hair, scalp, skin, and it's supposed to be an authentic oil from Jamaica. So I've been using this one for a very long time. I've also used it on my eyebrows. My eyebrows are way thicker than they used to be, and the way that I apply this or Vaseline, I actually use my finger, and I'll take a little bit of the oil and just put it on my finger, and then at nighttime I'll just spread it across like my waterline, right above my lashes. Sometimes I'll even put it on top of my lashes. I'll put a little bit on my finger and just like put it on my lashes. However, I really don't like putting the black castor oil on my lashes because it could potentially get in my eye while I'm sleeping. But if you would like to put something on your lashes, then you can use the petroleum jelly, which is really good at hydrating or conditioning your lashes or any hair. So tip number 6, something y'all probably all have heard in y'all life already, but I'm gonna say it again because it's true. Make sure you're drinking lots of water every day, because water, like, you know, your skin rehydrates, your nails grow. Drinking water helps all of that. Like, the more you drink water, the faster a process will go. Because if you're not drinking the water, then you're not getting hydrated, and then your skin not getting hydrated, and then your lashes not growing, just because there's all type of building blocks to help hair and skin and nails grow. So that is a very big thing. You need to make sure you're drinking water. I have my water right here. I'm actually very thirsty, so I'm about to drink it. Okay, my mouth a little dry. But yeah, tip number 7, y'all gonna hate me, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Stop wearing mascara. I have not worn mascara in a year. I literally only apply my fake lashes or my false lashes. And like I said, I do wear individuals. Those are the only things that I apply to my actual lashes. I do not wear mascara. I haven't worn mascara in a long time. I just don't see the benefits of it, just because number one, it don't make the makeup look full. So like, and anyway, the fact that I do individuals, I make my individuals look natural. I make them look the way I want them to. I can make them look natural. I can make them look full. I can make them look like a real script lash if I wanted to. So yeah, I don't wear mascara, and my lashes have been flourishing because I no longer wear mascara. So take my tips and run with them, period. I told you guys all my tips and everything. I'm about to talk to y'all about how to maintain your lashes after you have grown them out and you use the tips that I told y'all. I'm about to tell you how to maintain them, because like growing them and maintaining, that's two different things, baby. So the first way you can maintain them is to continue to always brush your lashes. So like I said, make sure you're brushing your lashes either once a day or once every 2 days. The next thing you can do is, if your lashes have made it to your designated length, you can apply castor oil less often. So that means every 2 to 3 days instead of every day. You can also, if you still want to wear mascara, just make sure to let it sit. Make sure to let it get soft, and like when you're sitting, just let it get soft and then remove it. Don't try to remove your mascara while the product is still dry on your lashes, because that's going to result in breakage, or it's going to result in the whole lash coming out, because you're going to be so rough trying to take it off. Like, it's just not going to go good. Alright, you guys, we're at the end of the video. Hopefully these tips helped y'all. This video should be really short, so y'all shouldn't get bored. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications, because your girl popping her, and that's period. But yeah, hopefully these tips and tricks will help you either grow your lashes, maintain your lashes, or even have healthier lashes altogether. So yeah, make sure y'all leave me a comment down below, because your girl gonna answer that. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. I'm happy for all the support y'all. I'm happy with all the support y'all are giving me, and I can see the results. But yeah, we gotta keep going up. I love y'all. I'm out here.